Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with ClickBank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate sales strategies with ClickBank, start by creating an account on their website. Visit clickbank.com and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Once registered, confirm your email to activate your ClickBank account. Next, log into your account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Marketplace section to explore various products. Use the search bar or browse categories to find a niche that interests you. Analyze the gravity score of potential products to gauge their popularity. Select a product and click on the Promote button to generate your affiliate link. Customize the link with a tracking ID for better performance monitoring. Copy the generated affiliate link and save it for later use. Now, develop a marketing strategy to promote your selected product. Consider utilizing social media platforms to reach your target audience. Create compelling content such as blogs, videos, or social media posts to attract potential buyers. Incorporate your affiliate link naturally. Additionally, consider using email marketing to engage with your audience directly. Build an email list by offering valuable content or freebies related to your niche. Once you have a list, send regular updates and promotions featuring your affiliate link. Explore paid advertising options such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads for broader reach. Monitor your campaigns closely and adjust your strategies based on performance metrics. Analyze which products and marketing methods yield the highest conversions. Continuously test and refine your approach to optimize results. Stay updated with ClickBank's guidelines to ensure compliance with their policies. Engage with the ClickBank community for insights and support throughout your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.